Alright guys, welcome back to another Elden Ring playthrough. Last episode we beat Margaret the Fell Omen. It took me 27 tries. 27 tries to kill this guy. So starting off this run, we're looking pretty good. The end goal for today, so we're gonna go kill, I forget this guy's name. We're gonna go kill this dude. And then possibly, depending on how long that takes me, we're gonna also go to the lake and kill the moon bitch. But before we do that, I want to go grab some items from this place. I want to get in and out. I want to get my item and leave as soon as possible. What is this thing? Shiny. Oh my god, look. New outfit. I look sick, man. This is dope. So I remember we get ganked up here. Running here. I'm just gonna speedrun it. Climb, climb, climb. Go, 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 go. Oh, I'm getting poisoned. Oh, I made it. Yeah. What do we get here? Oh yeah, we get the medallion for the thing. Please, 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 please. All right, I got it. So it's every single attribute it increases. So I still, yeah, I need a little bit more faith. Yeah, I'll go do that. We'll talk to Melania, go to the hold, sell all of our runes, and then from there, hopefully I'll have enough to be able to play with that weapon. Okay, everything's been sold. And then rest, level up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, dude, I'm 1 off. That shit stinks. I could just fight him now and go from there. What up, stinky bitch? See, like that's decent damage, but it's not what I want. Oh, fuck! Flame on, flame on, flame on, flame on. Flame on. Ow. Oh, I can't dodge. Fuck! Come here, pussy. Like, he's supposed to be like the easiest boss to fight. Flame on, flame on, flame on. Oh! Oh my god! Leave me alone! Dude, why am I stuck? There's no way that hits me. I was like behind them, brother. Brother! Bro! Alright, he's almost half. He's almost at half. Dude, fight him! Okay, now I gotta run forward. Oh, he goes all the way around? I didn't know that. I thought he just fucking splurted it. Oh, I hate that shit. Yeah, I do need to go get my other item. Kill this thing. Yeah, why don't we do that? Why don't we go kill this thing? I remember being stuck at this fucking guy for so long. Fuck you. No! Round 2. I believe in myself. Bro. No way! I clicked B, bro! I'm just gonna run up there, spam my thing. Get a good chunk of his damage down. Dodge. Okay, 1, 2, dodge. Dodge. What? Oh, bullshit. Nope, nope, not happening. You're dead. Oh, fuck you. I'm actually so happy that bitch died. I only got 1900 for that? That's tough. Oh yeah, I can go fight this boss. Fuck this guy. I'm gonna go kill him. Then I can get my weapon. Oh, there's like 2 more hits and you're dead. Dude, just fucking hit her! Oh my god. Hell yes. Let's fucking go. Okay. Now we go and fight this boss. I'm gonna use the... Okay, so how does this work? Okay. And the charge attack. Okay. We'll have to see how much damage it does. I'm excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a good chunk of damage. I don't know if I could stagger though. He's gonna go crazy. Dodge. Man, that shit doesn't fucking count. That's not, nah. I want to see how much damage the, special does. My special. Oh, I jumped. Why the fuck did I jump? Okay, you know what? I really think I should just use my flame because it does fuck ton of damage. And I can just spam it like that, right? Oh, he actually hit me with that attack. I don't know his new moveset. Shit. What the fuck was that? Okay, I'm doing like very little damage now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Big damage coming up. Woo! Oh, I'm getting cocky. I'm getting cocky. I'm getting cocky. One more. Let's go. Okay, that wasn't bad. That was good. And this, by far, is probably one of the most gorgeous scenes in this fucking game. Like, wow. Look at this. Oh, the run up to the moon bitch actually sucks. With the dog, I'm starting to remember now. All I know is we have to go kill that dragon to go get, the key. Okay, this is it. Yeah, this is it right here. Dude, of course he starts on the right side! Fuck! Oh my god. Come on, please, do some fucking damage, please. Oh, hell yeah. Oh. Okay, another one, another one. Good damage, good damage. Please, please. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Oh. I'll come back and get that dragon if I can do a little bit more damage, but the run here sucks. Of course. Alright, worst run of the game here. I fucking hate this dog so much. Okay, that was one flame thing though. If I can find an opening, we're good. Alright, I'm back again. Okay, I dodged that. I dodged that. Dodge. 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 Alright. Back at it again, big boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Heal. Bro, what am I supposed to do? Like, I'm clicking fucking B, bro. This fucking shit's so dumb. Fuck off. Fuck this dog. Fuck that fucking dog. Do I want it into there? I'll get up to fucking Renala. I'll do that. You know what? Maybe I'll do this another day.